Working from home tips 2020. Working remotely, especially when working from home most of the time, means figuring out these issues and others. Here are 7 tips for leading a better and more productive remote working life, based on my experience and what I've learned from others. 1. Maintain regular hours. Automatic time tracking apps, such as RescueTime, let you check in on whether you're sticking to your schedule. They can also help you figure out what times of day you're most productive versus when you slack off. You can use that information to your advantage by reserving your hours of high focus for your most important tasks. 2. Create a morning routine. Deciding you'll sit down at your desk and start work at a certain time is one thing. Creating a routine that guides you into the chair is another. What in your morning routine indicates you're about to start work? It might be making a cup of coffee and taking the time to actually savor it before you start looking at your to-do list. 3. Schedule breaks. Know your company's policy on break times and take them. If you're self-employed, give yourself adequate time during the day to walk away from the computer screen and phone. A lunch hour and 2 15-minute breaks seems to be the standard for full-time US employees. 4. Take breaks in their entirety. Don't shortchange yourself during breaks, especially your lunch hour. You can use an app, such as Timeout for Mac and Smart Break for Windows, to lock yourself out of your computer for 60 minutes. Or you can just launch a simple clock or timer on the screen when you take a break. If you return to your desk after only 40 minutes, walk away for another 20. 5. Leave home. To the extent that it's allowed and safe where you are during the COVID-19 outbreak, get out of the house, provided you can maintain social distancing, of course. The same advice applies to people who work in traditional office settings, too. Leave the building at least once a day. Your body needs to move. Plus, the fresh air and natural light will do you good. 6. Keep a dedicated office space. In an ideal world, remote employees would have not only a dedicated office, but also 2 computers, one for work and one for personal use. It's more secure for the employer, and it lets you do all your NSFW activities in private. But not everyone has a separate office in their home, and keeping 2 machines isn't always realistic. Instead, dedicate a desk and some peripherals only for work use. 7. Use a VPN. Use a VPN whenever you're connected to a network that you don't control. That includes Wi-Fi at co-working spaces, cafes, libraries, and airports. Some organizations have their own VPNs that off-site employees need to access certain servers or websites that store information meant only for internal use. In those cases, you'll also need to use a VPN at home. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.